Hi, I'm Kevin. Today I'm going to talk about ski and snowboard goggles. Here to start off with, we have your basic goggle. It's a double lens. That as opposed to a single lens. Some of your real low price points, like under $30, $35 goggles, they'll be a single lens. They're not quite as common these days, but they still exist. Problem with the single lens, it's going to fog up on you no matter what kind of treatment you do to it, what kind of anti-fog coating you put on it, it's still going to fog. Reason is that there's a big difference between the air temperature that's between the goggle and your face and the air temperature that's actually outside when you're using it. That difference causes them to fog. With a double lens, it's kind of like a double pane window. It prevents the fog. It creates a thermal barrier between your face and the outside temp, so you don't have any fogging. So disadvantage here with a flat plane lens is that it causes distortion. It'll block the wind. This one's got mirrored, so it's going to cut down on glare, but it's not curved like your eye. So as the light comes in, it reflects and you get distortion. Also, your peripheral vision is kind of blocked. Step up from that is going to be a curved lens. So the advantage of a curved lens is it matches the curvature of your eyeball. So as the light comes in, it's a truer light. There's no distortion, very little distortion. So you get a very true window to the outside of what's actually going on. Also, you get a lot better peripheral vision because the goggle comes around, wraps around the side of your eyes a lot better, so you can see a lot bigger picture. So that's the next step up. There's all different kinds of coatings you can get. Polarization, which is going to cut down on glare off the snow. You get those bright, sunny Colorado days, bluebird days where there's a lot of glare off that fresh snow. Polarization goggles, it's going to really cut down on that glare. Some of the mirrored coatings will also help with that, not quite as well as polarization, but definitely help to cut down on that glare. For those of you that wear glasses, they make it over the glass goggle. A lot of times you guys go out, you try and find a goggle, they won't fit over your glasses, they push the glasses into your temple. Here, the frame is wider, it's deeper. They also have little cutouts for the temples of your glass, so it's a much better fit. Give you an example. So if you put your glasses on, the glass fits over there very cleanly. It's not pressing in, so you get a much more comfortable fit. You don't have glasses poking you in the face all day. Then you have like a women's fit goggle. Women, obviously, most of them have smaller faces than men, so they have women's specific goggles out with a smaller frame, a little more petite. Definitely fits a woman's face. It's tighter this way as well as shorter this way, so it fits much better for the ladies out there. There's also other kind of goggles that have like fans, so if you're a heavy sweater, perspire a lot, they'll actually have a fan mounted on top of the goggle here. Very quiet, so it's not intrusive, but it really helps get all that hot air out. That way you don't have any fogging, so if you have constant fogging problems with your goggles, definitely check out the fan operated goggles.